a update, okay? A profit update. Y'all know every Monday we make our trades and we profit consistent profits so we can pay our bills and stuff. And if you don't want a 9 to 5, you don't have to work a 9 to 5. Amen? Put amen in the comments, okay? Anyways, for those of you who are new here, give me a chance to introduce myself. My name is Paris Smith, and I was able to retire myself from the 9 to 5 at 24 years old, and I did this through trading in the stock market. And I know you like, girl, I ain't got time for that. Day trading, reading charts, being glued to my screen all day. Let me just tell you the good news. Scratch all that. You don't need none of it. Okay, you don't need the day trade because we don't day trade. You don't have to read charts. You don't have to, understand it and all that stuff and be glued to your screen. It take us 3 minutes, less than 3 minutes. We got to fill out a form every Monday and hit submit. The longest part is transferring your funds to your bank account. Amen. Put amen in the comments. But anyways, we only trade once a week and it makes a consistent, reliable income. So let's get started and get into this video. So y'all, I've been trading a new stock. Okay, when I left here last year, okay, I left late last year, and I haven't uploaded since then, right? Now, I told y'all that I was looking for new stocks to trade because RKLB was on a rocky ride, baby. When I said that ride was crazy. And if you are new here, we trade low risk. We trade low risk as possible. So we trade stocks that have fundamentals, okay? RKLB has the fundamentals, but it doesn't have a dividend, and that makes the stock a little more volatile than what we like. But we like it. It just makes it a little more volatile. RKLB was too volatile. It was insanely volatile. So y'all know I tossed that thing to the side, okay? And I got some new stocks for you. Now, I am not a financial advisor, okay? I'm just sharing what I'm doing, okay? What works for me, okay? I'm not telling you to do anything, okay? That's disclaimer. Okay, so I have my notes right here so I don't forget, okay? If you're interested in learning this type of trading where you can profit consistently, you will know exactly how much you're making every week to pay them bills. I have a free masterclass. Free masterclass this week. The link is in the description. Go ahead and get signed up and I'll see you there, okay? All right, so let's get into it. I got my phone. Okay, so Okay, so the new stock is Delta. Is Delta. Ticker symbol DAL. Okay? Delta has all the fundamentals we look for. Okay? If you are a student and you watching my videos, y'all know what to look for. Okay? If you're new here, I teach it in the free masterclass. Link in the description. So DAL is one of them, and then there's another one. I think Delta is around like $60 or so, like per share. And then there's another stock. It's called Byrick, and ticker symbol is B. Their trading is a cheaper stock, and when I say the premium's popping, the stock is like 30. I don't know, it's in the 30s. It might be like 34, 35 today. Somebody go check on that. Ticker symbol B and put it in the comments when you find, how much the stock is currently. But anyway, I've been trading it for a few weeks now. When I say that premium is $1 plus and it's only $30 stock, I said, yes, ma'am. Okay? Yes, please. Need that. So anyways, that's the second stock that I am trading. Let me tell you how many contracts. So I wrote it down, okay? I'm looking to the left because I wrote it all down. So I have 4 contracts of Delta that I've been trading. And I have 1 contract of Barrick. Ticker symbol B. Okay? Now, it's Money Making Monday. And so I want to come here and tell you guys every single Monday how much I am profiting in the stock market. I want y'all to come on this journey with me. Last year, I left off and I told you guys that I started a brand new account called my Play Money account. Okay, it's just an account. I do what I want with it. If I want to pay a bill with it, I'll pay a bill with it. If I want to, purchase something with it, be a blessing to someone with it, that's what I'm going to do. Or if I want to reinvest and buy long-term stocks, I'm going to do that, build my wealth, or reinvest it to buy more shares so I can profit more. So I'm going to bring it here every week and let you guys know like what I plan on doing, how I plan on growing my wealth with this and all of that stuff. So if you're new here, subscribe so you can follow me on this journey. Now, in order to trade all of this, I have about 24,000 in my broker account. And before y'all have limiting beliefs like, girl, that's too much money. If I could do it, you can do it too. Okay. I'm going to tell you how much I made, and then I'll get back to that. So I did $549.93, and I have the screenshot up here on the screen just for you to, have a visual. And that's trading Delta for contracts. And then I've made, hold on, let me get to it. Let me get to it. For B, ticker symbol B, I made $92.49. So somebody add that up. I did not add it up. Okay, somebody add it up. Put it in the comments. How much is that? What's that? What did I make this week? Excuse me. What did I make this week? I didn't calculate it before I did this video, and I probably should have. But anyways, that's how much I'm making every week. Trading those two stocks, and yeah, so it's really simple. Just fill out a form, hit submit, and we keep trading. With this strategy, it's called cover calls. So we are investors first, then we trade second. So it's a way of accumulating income off of your investment, your long-term investment. Think of like money in your savings account. Your money in your savings account, you're making money off your money. That's just sitting in your savings account. Think of it like that. So anyways, so I want you guys to come here every Monday. I will be posting my revenue updates and all that good stuff. When I say this strategy alone showed me so much, okay, about the 9 to 5, simply because I deserved way better. And it's like the stock market gives you that. I always say this all the time. This is why I preach all the time. The stock market doesn't discriminate. The stock market don't care, because the whole DEI thing is gone now. So it's like it doesn't discriminate, right? And then like the stock market don't tell you when to go on lunch breaks or tell you when to come in, when to clock out. Stock market, it rewards you when you right and tear your butt up when you wrong. Right. So you got right. Okay. Now cover calls is still trading. You still gotta be disciplined, and you still gotta have a plan. The only thing that people don't like about cover calls, it takes much more to get in. Yeah, I know day trading. You could trade with cool $300, $500. You good. You can start making little profits. But cover calls, you have to buy shares. Contracts, one contract at a time. So that's 100 shares at a time. So if you borrow it, it's at let's say $32. You have to invest $3,200. People don't like that. It's not sexy enough. But the income that you make is absolutely beautiful. I sleep good at night. One, because the stocks that I choose are fundamentally strong. That's one. Two, I know that my bill's about to get paid, and I don't have to step foot in nobody's office to do it. With that being said, if you're interested in learning more about this trading strategy, come join your girl at my free stock trading masterclass. Make sure you have a good notebook, okay, and a sharp pen or pencil, because you're going to be writing down a lot of notes. I go through how I did it, how I left the 9 to 5, and all about the strategy, all the things you need to know. I'll be there, okay? So anyways, I hope this video was a good one, and I'll see y'all again this week. Okay, bye-bye, 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 bye-bye.